Hi everyone, welcome to the learning world of maths. So yesterday we have completed page number 16. Today we are going to do the work in the page number 17. All of you please open your textbook page number 17 and today's topic is ascending and descending order of numbers up to 0 to 9. Numbers from 0 to 9. First we will learn about ascending order. Ascending order. Do you know the numbers up to 1 to 9? Do you know? Yes. Before we start our topic, once we will count the numbers up to 1 to 9, starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ascending order. Ascending order means in this what we have to do? We have to write the numbers from small to big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Numbers up to 1 to 9. Ascending order means we have to write the numbers from small to big. For example, 5, 2, 9, 7. 5, 2, 9, 7. So, among these four numbers, which is the smallest number? 5, 2, 9, 7. Which is the smallest number? 3, 4, 5 stars. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. So, now tell me, which number is having less stars? 2. So, which is the smallest number here? This number 5 is having 5 stars and here 2, here 9, here 7. So, which number is having less stars? 2. So, which is the smallest number here? 2. You have to write the first 2. After that you have to put tick mark. Now, 2 is completed. Okay. Remaining 5, 9, 7. So, among these three numbers, which is the smallest number? Here we have 5, here we have 9 and here we have 7 stars. So, which number is having less stars? Number 5. So, next number is 5. So, 2 completed and 5 completed. Next 9 and 7. So, which number is having less stars? Number 7. So, which after 5, which number we have to write? 7. Next, last number is 9. So, 2, which is having less stars, we have to write the first. After that, next 5, next 7, next 9. So, ascending order means we have to write the numbers from small to big. Okay. Now, descending order. Descending order. Descending order means we have to write numbers from big to small. We have to write the numbers from big to small. For example, 9, 7, 5, 2, 9, 7. For example, 5, 2, 9, 7. Now, among these 4 number, which is the biggest number? Biggest means not in size. Which is the greater number? 5, 2, 9, 7. For example, here you have 5 chocolates. Imagine that here you have 5 chocolates, here 2, here 9 and here 7. So, which number is having more chocolates? Number 9. So, it is greater number 9. Next, now 9 is completed. 5, 2, 7. Among these 3 numbers, which is the greater number? 5, 2, 7. 7. Next. Now, this 2 is completed. Now, among 5 and 2, which is the greater number? 5. Next, 2. So, descending order means you have to arrange the numbers from big to small. See, 9, 7, 5, 2. In ascending order, you have to arrange the numbers from small to big. In descending order, from big to small. Innings 2.4. Innings 2.4. Page number 17. This part, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. First one is 3, 7, 8, 9, 5. Four, 8, 1, 6, 2. 5, 1, 7, 2, 6. 2, 6, 4, 8, 5. 4, 9, 6, 7, 5. So, ascending order. In ascending order, in which order what is the process? We have to write the numbers which are, we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. 3, 7, 8, 9, 5. Which is the smallest number among these 5 numbers? 3. You have to write the number 3. Next. Now 7, 8, 9, 5. Among these 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? 5. Next. Now remaining 3, 7, 8, 9. Among these 3 numbers, which is the smallest number? 7. Now 8, 9. Which is the smallest number? 8. And after 8, what is the last number? 9. See, 3, 7, 8, 9, 5. Now, ascending order means small to big. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Next. 4, 8, 1, 6, 2. Which is the smallest number? 1. So, this one we have to write here. Next, now 4, 8, 6, 2. which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. So you have to write the 2. Next 4, 8, 6. Among these three numbers, which is the smallest number? 4. Write on 4. Next 8, 6. Which is the smallest number? 6. 6. And finally 8. Now 5, 1, 7, 2, 6. Which is the smallest number? 1. Next 5, 7, 2, 6. 2. Next 5, 7, 6. 5 is the smallest. Next 7, 6. 6. Next one is 7. Okay. First 3 I have done and remaining 2 you have to do. Okay. Now next one is arrange in descending order. Remaining 2 you have to do. First 3 I have done. Arrange the number in descending order. Two, 8, 1, 7, 3. 4, 9, 6, 7, 5. 9, 4, 3, 5, 6. 5, 1, 7, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Descending order. In descending order, we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. So, 2, 8, 1, 7, 3. Which is the greater number? 8 is the greater number. So, we have to write number 8 first. Next, now 2, 1, 7, 3. Among these 4 numbers, which is the greater number? 7. Next, 2, 1, 3. Among these 3 numbers, which is the greater number? 3 is the greater number. Next, now 2, 1. Among these 2 numbers, which is the greater number? 2. Now remaining only one number. Next 4, 9, 6, 7, 5. Which is the greater number? 9 is the greater number. Now 4, 6, 7, 5. Among these 4 numbers, which is the greater number? 7. 7 is the greater number. Now 4, 6, 5. Among these 3 numbers, which is the greater number? 6 is the greater number. Now 4, 5. Among these 2 numbers, which is the greater number? 5 is the greater number. And the last number is 4. Now C bit. 9, 4, 3, 5, 6. Among these 5 numbers, which is the greater number? 9. Next 4, 3, 5, 6. 6 is the greater. 4, 3, 5. Among these 3 numbers, which is the greater number? 5. Next 4, 3. Among these two numbers, which is the greater number? 4 is the greater number. And last one is 3. So, first 3 I have done for you, and remaining 2 you have to do yourself. You have to write in your textbook. Okay? So, in ascending order, first 3 bits I have done for you. You have to copy it here, and remaining ED you have to do it yourself. And second bit, arrange the numbers in descending order. First 3 we have done now, and remaining these 2 you have to do yourself. Remaining next topic we will discuss in the next class, and that's all for today. Thank you.